so far.
All right. Hi there, Yasmin. Yeah, we did get our 11 o'clock advisory. It is down to a Category 4 storm, but just by a hair because it's at 155 miles per hour. 156 miles per hour puts it into the Category 5 zone. So the good news is we're starting to see a little decrease, but it is painfully slow and still moving painfully slow. Let's tell you where it is right now over the Grand Bahama Island. It is pounding this island. We've heard of homes being washed away, cars being washed away, roofs being ripped off, and this will continue over the next 12 hours. So they are being lashed because this is parked right over them, dropping 12 to 24 inches of rain, and we're seeing a water wall up to 24 feet in some spots. So let's take a look. 155 miles per hour. That's a very powerful storm still. We're looking at a wind and rain machine. We're going to see that still over the next 5 days, let's say. Moving still at 1 mile per hour, so it's moving very, very slowly. I do want to talk about the movement. It is terrible for the Bahamas. It is a nightmare situation. It is a better situation, though, that is moving slowly for Florida because that allows the players to get in place, the steering mechanisms that will hopefully turn it off to the north and also the west. Let's talk about the track. Category 4 storm, but again, right on the cusp there. It only needs 1 mile per hour to be a Cat 5. Still a Category 4 storm, but look at the better news. Now the cone of concern is off the coast here, West Palm to Fort Pierce. So it moved a little bit further to the east. We're still getting the consensus advisory after advisory that it is staying off the coast. Still, do not let your guard down. We could still see tropical storm force winds, that water wall coming on shore. So you want to listen to your county officials. They know what elevation you're at. They know the right call to make. Now, as we go to the north and also the east, the cone of concern does include the cone at this point by Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So now by Thursday, we're getting into South Carolina Category 2 storm right off the coast. I mean, painfully off the coast. And you know, with this storm, it's been very inconsistent. The consistent thing about it is that it's been so inconsistent. So they wobble back and forth, and we do need to have those players in place that's going to steer it. And they could break down a little bit slower, or the trough could come in a little bit slower. The trough is really kind of a fishing net that kind of pushes it off to the north and east, and that's what we're going to be waiting for. So as we go throughout time here on Friday, we are still talking about a Category 2 storm. We could see a landfall near or over Cape Hatteras, and then we move off to the mid-Atlantic as we go